Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to get your exact GPS locations, so longitude, latitude and altitude. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024 and Ford Edges equipped with Ford Sync 3. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, first thing you have to do, you have to access the hidden vehicle service menu. Now, to do that, first you want to turn on the radio and either have it on FM or AM frequency, okay? And once you do that, you will press and keep holding the right SIG button on the steering wheel and right SIG button on the dashboard. Now I'll have to use both of my hands to do that, but that's what you will do. Hold it together for maybe 5 seconds and you will get to the menu. Okay, I'm holding them now. And this will first start the speaker test, which you can end. And now you are in the service menu, and what you will do, you will select APIM Diagnostics, the first on the top, and here you will go under location information, and you can see all the information: latitude, longitude, heading, altitude and things like that, like compass stuff, even the vehicle speed, number of satellites and so on and so on. Now I will also show you sometimes when I tried, this information wasn't available here. If that happens to you, you want to go back again, and you want to select testing settings. And if you go all the way down here, you should get that information here as well, location diagnostics. And you see, you will get the same information here as well. So you have two ways of finding out your exact location anywhere you are on the planet, which can be quite handy sometimes. And you can test this if you type in this information online. You will find your exact location. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.